First of all, actually, I'll be expressing in English. First of all, I'm really grateful to the management of Chirang Public School, the governing body especially. And I'm really grateful to Madam, the regional in charge from Guwahati, who is really coming, taking the responsibility to conduct Abacus for our school, and especially for this reason. Actually, why we are conducting this summer camp for 2 days, Abacus already, Madam has already said. First of all, I want our students, and especially this reason, concentration of the maths, and the fear of maths, and the accuracy of maths, speed, whole brain development, and self-concentration in maths. This is very important for the students, especially for our tribal students. This concept is not, although we have, but it is not that very clear. That is why we are conducting this summer camp, and for that, in order to avail these activities, free activities, we have got so many schools are there. Schools from Vivekananda School, Satipur LP School, St. Mary's School, Menon School, Concept Public School, DPS Dhaligao, Center for New Learning Bangtol. There are 7 schools. They are so much interested, and so many students are participating. There are 150 students plus are there, and that is why really I'm really grateful to, through this media. Actually, I'm grateful to the people of this locality for accepting Abacus as one of the learning aids for this reason. Thank you so much.